Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is yet another shopping video. So today we're going to Commercial Street and I'm gonna show you guys what exactly you'll get over there. If you love such videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification so that every time I post you get notified, and you can also follow us on Instagram. So we just reached Commercial Street, so you can come over here through a cab or you can take metro. So Commercial Street is one place where you get everything. So this is the best place for cheap clothing. So you have to come to this road. So this road is known as 177 Ibrahim Street, Tasker Town. So in this lane you get each and everything for a cheaper price. So as Christmas is nearby, so I'm going to show you what all you'll get in the shapes and shades. So over here you get each and everything, starting from home decor to cosmetics to kitchen items. So let's go inside and check out what all you'll get over here. So the shop name is called as Shapes and Shades. So this is located in Ibrahim Street. It is in the underground basement. So do visit the place whenever you come here. Everything is so reasonable over here. So the price starting over here is just rupees 10. So as Christmas is nearby, they've decorated the store with Christmas trees and bells. So do check out the store. So you can also take the single Christmas tree and you can take the decorative items over here. They have stars, bells, so many stuff over here. Do check out the place. And this is one of the most recommended place to visit in Bangalore. And they also have pots and duplicate flowers. So these flowers are just for rupees 100. So this one is a set and this one is just for rupees 400. And you get so many items over here. So there is Mary and Jesus. So depending on occasions, they keep changing the store. So as Christmas is nearby, they change the store to all Christmas items, and if it is Diwali, they change the store to all lights and candles. And the prices are very affordable over here. So instead of going to small stores near to your home and investing a lot of money, it's better to come over here and get it in cheaper price. And you also get serial lights, and these lights are just for rupees 99 and you get it in different colors. So this set is quite expensive. This is 410. And they also have cosmetics starting from base to a professional makeup. They have different brands and different shades over here. So this lip balm is just for rupees 100. So this is a transparent lip balm, and when you apply it, it changes its color. And they also have cotton balls, and this is for just rupees 45. I think this is a great deal. And this medicine box is also very useful to people who forget their medicines, so you can keep your medicines depending on the days. And they also have wall hangers, so instead of making holes to your walls, it's better to put the wall hangers. And they also have different designs, and each prices are different over here. So now coming to home decor items, they have floor mats. So this floor mat was just rupees 100 and this was so soft and smooth. So they have different sections over here. So we just finished one section and they still have so many sections over here. So we have to cover it one by one. So if we go further, you can see the plates. So we have one more section to finish it. So first let's finish the section and then go there. So this is how the store looks. It's very huge. So in this section you will get all beauty related items like eyelash curlers, earrings and many things. So this eyelash curler is just for rupees 100. So this eyebrow razor is just for rupees 80 and this is a set of 3. And they have bunch of fake eyelashes and it costs just rupees 99. And you also get makeup brushes and it is for rupees 195. So over here they have Huda Beauty fake eyelashes, but this is not the original one. And coming to eyeshadows, so over here they have the glitter eyeshadow and this one is just for rupees 240 and this one is one of the best deal. I would suggest you guys. So over here the pearl powder is just for rupees 75. And the glitter gel eyeshadow is just for rupees 249. So this eyeshadow is similar to Swiss Beauty eyeshadow. So they have the same shades and this one price at rupees 249. And they have amazing collections in eyeshadow. Do check it out. And all the prices are fixed over here, so you cannot bargain. So coming to the next section, you get toys. So over here we have this cute smiley ball. So over here they have the duplicate flower chain set. So this is when you wear it during your pre-wedding functions. And here comes the earrings. So the earrings price start at rupees just 20 and they have huge collection of earrings and they are very affordable. So starting from basic to traditional earrings to party wear, they have huge collections of earrings. So this beautiful earring is just for rupees 150. And they also have written gifts. So this box is just for rupees 50. So they have it in different size and shapes and colors. So the smaller one starts at rupees 40 and the bigger one starts at rupees 60 to 50. And they also have kids toys, pencil box, pouches and many other stuff. So the store is very huge, so it is not possible to show everything in one video. So I will definitely make another video and I will show you what all you'll get over here. So we'll meet you soon on the part 2 of this video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.